What are the forces that bring about change in history? Is it the role of ideas, or is it the economy that brings about change? One thing that makes a difference is the role of dissent. One of the transformative moments in human history would be the Reformation. The Reformation was promoted by one of the great historical rebels, Martin Luther, who attacked the Catholic Church and its practices, which he said were corrupt. Quite simply, he shattered Christendom. But he also created a new force, Protestantism, a way of seeing based on individualism, and a way of seeing ultimately that was based upon the capitalist system. This makes him one of the most transformative of all historical rebels.